Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying versions. Rage plugin hook must match your game build because mismatches cause immediate crashes. Once done, back up the scripts folder and any saves so you can revert. Make sure to run both the game and Rage plugin hook as administrator to avoid permission errors. Also disable overlays like Discord and Steam. Overlays often inject incompatible DLLs. These are quick, essential steps that remove the most common immediate causes of the crash. Next, isolate conflicts by removing mods in a controlled way. Replace or re-add one at a time so you can identify the offender. Meanwhile, verify game file integrity through your platform to restore any corrupted core files. Inspect Rage plugin hook. Log in-game crash dumps for explicit errors. They tell you which DLL or script failed. If a native trainer or ASI is listed, remove that file. These detailed middle steps narrow down root causes and prevent repeating the initial crash cycle. For final repairs, perform a clean reinstall of Rage plugin hook using the version compatible with your game build. Delete old folders first to avoid residual conflicts. Test the game vanilla, no mods, and confirm stability before re-adding mods in small batches. If crashes persist, update or roll back GPU drivers and ensure DirectX redistributables are current. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, create a new clean installation of the game on a different drive or folder to rule out contaminated files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.